Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing not one, but two moons. For a moment, it's a breathtaking sight. But then, the world as we know it begins to change. The familiar rhythm of our planet is thrown into chaos. What if Earth had two moons? Let's explore this fascinating and terrifying possibility. First, the tides. With the gravitational pull of a second moon, our oceans would be unleashed. Picture massive, unpredictable waves, far larger than any tsunami we've ever seen, crashing onto coastlines. Coastal cities like New York, Tokyo, and London would become uninhabitable, submerged relics of a bygone era. Life would be forced to retreat inland, away from the devastating power of these new super tides. The night would never truly be dark again. The combined light of two moons would cast the Earth in a state of perpetual twilight. This would fundamentally alter the behavior of nocturnal animals. Predators and prey would need to evolve new forms of camouflage, adapting to a world without true darkness. Imagine forests filled with creatures sporting, shimmering, reflective skin to blend into the constant, airy moonlight. The gravitational chaos wouldn't stop at the oceans. The constant push and pull on our planet's crust would trigger unprecedented geological instability. Earthquakes would become a daily occurrence, and dormant volcanoes would roar back to life, spewing ash and lava into the atmosphere. The very ground beneath our feet would feel unstable, constantly shifting and groaning under the strain. Our entire concept of time would need a rewrite. A single moon gives us our months. With two moons, each with its own unique orbit, our calendar would become incredibly complex. We might have to invent new units of time, like parmos or partial months, just to keep track of their different cycles. Society would have to adapt to a new, more complicated rhythm, dictated by the celestial dance above. But the most dramatic chapter of this story is the inevitable collision. Over millennia, the orbits of the two moons would decay, drawing them closer and closer together. Eventually, they would collide in a cataclysmic explosion. The debris from this cosmic crash would rain down on Earth, causing mass extinction events. The surviving fragments would form a beautiful but deadly ring around our planet, similar to Saturn's, forever changing our sky. So, as we gaze at this transformed Earth, a pale blue dot surrounded by a shimmering ring of its former moons, one question remains. What would you do in a world with two moons? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the unknown.